conflicts. Data is everywhere, but only a few know how to turn it into powerful insights.
So a normal Excel user will love to copy the quantity into a new data set, maybe you paste here. But as an advanced Excel user, what we have to do is to say equals to XLOOKUP, and lookup value. Since the first we're going to use the first product here, laptop, so it's a 1 comma, then lookup array. We're going to highlight the first all the products, highlight all the product equals to, then the laptop C2, then multiply by, still like lookup array, then we highlight the customer name equals to Arbery, C3, then close the bracket, then multiply by, then open the bracket, the region, all the regions, then equals to USA C4, then we close the bracket, then comma, then return array. This is the value you want Excel to return to us. So we highlight the return array. So we see we have 10 already. Okay. So now we want to find the unique values from the product here. So we use unique equals unique. We get so we have these values as the unique value in that column. Then also use the unique values to get the unique values for this region, since we have repetitions. Okay, so now we now have this unique value. Then for the names, since they are not, there's no repetition, there's no need finding the unique value. So now with this unique value, we're going to create what we call data validation. So click on laptop, then we'll go to our tab, click on data validation, then we highlight data that are unique. Okay, then we'll click on OK. Then we repeat same for the customer name. Click on the customer name, go to data tab, click on this drop down, we have data validation, then click on list. Then for the source, you highlight all the informations on all the names on the customer names, then you click on OK. Then finally for the region, we click on, then we click on this drop down here, data validation, then click on list. Then for the source, then you highlight all the unique values for the countries, then you click on OK. Then finally, let's see what we have. Let's change the informations using the drop down buttons, and let's see what our results will look like. So we see we just changed the information to mouse as a product, and we saw the results. Now let's change the product to phone, and let's change the name. Phone. Who's the phone? Whose customer bought a phone? Okay, we see this customer bought a phone, and the region is from USA, and this is number of phone he bought, 11. Okay, now let's also check for one more customer. Okay, from the UK customer bought a phone, bought a laptop, and what to follow, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you could get information regarding my new posts on Excel for data.